Welcome to this lesson on probability counting principles part 1. Let's have a look at the notion of counting with repetition. So let us consider the following example. Damien needs to open a new bank account and he needs to create a 4-digit PIN code, right, for his new debit card. How many different PIN numbers can he choose from? Okay, so if you consider each digit of his PIN number as follows, right? There are 10 numbers. So let's say from the first set, A1. They can choose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so those could be, any of those 10 digits could be his first number, because you can start your PIN code with a 0. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. It's not an actual number. It's more of just a 4-digit combination that you choose, that when you enter it correctly, it allows you access to your bank account. Okay, so he has 10 options. So the number of elements in A1 are 10 digits that he can choose from. Similarly, he has 10 numbers to choose for the second, the third, and the fourth digit, because creating a PIN number for your bank account, there is no restriction on saying you can't have a PIN code of, let's say, 7777. Okay, unless the bank specifically tells you that, there is no restriction on what you can have. So that means the number of elements in the second digit is still 10. The same for the third digit is 10. And the fourth digit is 10. So A1, A2, A3, A4, those sets represent the possible digits that he can choose from to enter in his PIN code. And the number of options he has for each digit is 10 each. So from the fundamental counting principle, the number of elements in that Cartesian product, A1 cross A2 cross A3 cross A4, that must be equal to how many digits in A1? 10. How many digits in A2? 10. Same for A3 and A4. So in exponential notation, that's 10 to the power 4, which is 10,000 different PIN number options for Damien to choose from to create his PIN code. So this is what we call an example repetition, because it means that in each event that we are looking at, A1, A2, A3, A4 for this example, you can repeat a digit that you've chosen previously in any of the other cases. All right, so what do elements look like in this set here? We could have, for example, 7, 6, 5, 4. That's an element in that Cartesian product. Another one could be 0, 0, 0, 0, although that's, I would say, a pretty weak password, so probably don't put your password like that, because hackers can probably try and guess it pretty quickly if they know that these are the most basic passwords to choose from. All right, so the summary here is that when you count with repetition, you're allowed to use the same objects in multiple events, and by the fundamental counting principle, we multiply those number of objects together to get the total number of elements that we can have. Awesome. I'll see you in the next one.